Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin repairing your Asus ZenBook UX3405C, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a precision screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, plastic opening tools, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by powering off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. 1. Remove the back cover. Use a precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover. Typically, there are 10 to 12 screws. Keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Gently use a plastic opening tool to pry the cover off, taking care not to damage any clips. 2. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it to prevent any power from flowing while you work on the motherboard. This step is crucial for safety. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you make the right decisions. 3. Inspect the motherboard. Once the battery is disconnected, carefully examine the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as bulging capacitors or burned components. If you find any issues, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service to make repairs hassle-free. 4. Remove the motherboard. Unscrew all the screws holding the motherboard in place. Generally, there are around 6 screws. After removing these, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Handle it with care to avoid damaging any connectors. 5. Clean the motherboard. Use a soft brush to clean off any dust or debris from the motherboard. This cleaning process can prevent overheating and improve performance. For those without the necessary tools, remember, we can assist you with no calls, no travel, just a simple service request. 6. Replace damaged components. If you identified damaged components, now is the time to replace them. Use a soldering iron to remove and replace any defective parts. If you're not comfortable with this, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs up front. 7. Reassemble the device. Once repairs are complete, carefully place the motherboard back into the chassis. Reconnect the battery and ensure all screws are tightened properly. Reattach the back cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. 8. Test the device. Power on your Asus ZenBook UX3405C to ensure it operates correctly. Check for any issues during startup, and confirm that all functionalities are working as expected. If you encounter any problems during testing, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully repair your Asus ZenBook UX3405C motherboard. If you need help at any stage, remember we are here for you with our professional services, making sure your laptop is in optimal condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.